Verizon versus Tello 2025. Which cell phone carrier fits you better? Choosing a mobile carrier in 2025 isn't easy, but most people get this wrong by focusing solely on price. Verizon and Tello offer very different experiences. Verizon provides nationwide coverage, fast-take, and unlimited data plans. You won't believe what happens next. Premium perks like hotspot allowances, streaming benefits, and device protection come standard with many plans. Tello, in contrast, is a budget-friendly MVNO using Verizon's network. Unlike Verizon, it offers highly customizable plans where you pick data, talk, and text individually. It's cheaper, but lacks many of Verizon's premium features. The surprising truth is that for light users or those on a tight budget, Tello delivers excellent value with reliable coverage. For heavy users, frequent travelers, or those wanting the full perks ecosystem, Verizon is worth the higher cost. Ultimately, the best carrier depends on your priorities, affordability and flexibility, or coverage and premium benefits.